Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to stop sharing your location on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down. Under Data Sharing and Personalization section, click on Location Information. Uncheck the box next to the text that says Personalize based on the places you have been. Now click on Add Location Information to your tweets. Uncheck the box next to the text that says Add Location Information to your tweets. Now click on Remove all location information attached to your tweets. Click Delete to confirm. Go back to the previous page. Click on Explore Settings. Uncheck the box next to the text that says Show content in this location. That's it. We have prevented Twitter from tracking our location. This is how you can stop sharing your location on Twitter. Thank you for watching.